Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, June the 8th, June the 9th, 2024. We have here two regular puzzles here, June the 8th, 2024. One Medium Sudoku, the 3 stars, and the Samurai Sudoku. Two regular puzzles. In this newspaper, the weekend edition, we have also a puzzle page with 6 extra puzzles. In the evening, I will solve 4 out of 6. We have here the 2 stars, 4 stars, the killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, 10 by 10, and the jigsaw Sudoku, tectonic. Tomorrow afternoon, I will solve 4 puzzles. In additional, we have 7 extra puzzles: the ladder Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Then we have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the afternoon, tomorrow afternoon, and tomorrow Sunday evening I will solve the Samurai Sudoku. Yeah, I've showed you the Samurai Sudoku. But first, let me start with this one. This one, Sudoku with 3 stars, medium Sudoku. This will be number. Yeah. Let me zoom this. Zoom. This will be number. Let me see. 8. 6, 7, 8. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 2 digits more. Well, should be a 1 star. 1 star puzzle. I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars for 3 stars. I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or a 1 star puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see. Yeah, need the... Alright. 1, 6, 6, 6. Need a 9 here. Need a 5 here. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in the middle row, so no 5 and a 9 in this box. We have a 5 and a 9 in the last column, so no 5 and a 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 9 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and the 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then let me see. In a 9. Need a 2. Okay, need a 9 there. How about the 2 in this row, last row, 2 in the row above? So that row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 6, 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 1. We have 1 in this column. Oh, wait. Yeah, 1. We have 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have 1 in the last row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. Then, let me see. See, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 6. We have 4 and a 6 in the last row, so no 4 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 will be and a 4 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square for the us. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 4 and 8, we have an 8 in the last column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column for us. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 1 and 6. 1 and the 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Here also 2 numbers left in this column. For us, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6. 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8. 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have 4 and a 9 in this row, so no 4 and 9 in these 2 boxes. 4 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For the rest, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in this row. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left. In the last row, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing. The 8, the 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in the third column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left. In this big square, 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then need a 3 here. Need a 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So the row above the only place level 8 should be there. 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column only 2 places level 5 should be here. Or there we have a 5 in the middle row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. Then the 9 in this row, the 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left, the 9 should be here. Or there we have a 9 in this column. First column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here. Or there we have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row. For the master 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 7. In the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And then, let me see, we have a pair, the 6 and the 3 in this row, the 6 and the 3 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 6 and 3, 6 and the 3, so 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, alright. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for 4, 8 should be there. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 now in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So wait. Then, let me see. How about the 4 in this column, the 4 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for 4 could be here, could be there. Here we have a 4, here we have a 4. That means in this row, we need a 4 there. Because here can be 4, we have 4 in the second column, no 4 there. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. So and here can be 4, we have 4 in the last column, no 4 there. Only place level 4 should be there. 2 numbers left now. In this big square for numbers, the 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, so we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column. Only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Then. 1 and a 6. Then let me see. These 3 missing numbers in this column are the numbers: the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Let me mark this. 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 3, 8, 9. 3, 8, 9. Okay. The other 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers: the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7. Okay. How about 6 and the 3? How about here? Nope. This one. 1, 3, and then need an 8 here. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 could be here. Here we have an 8. Here we have 8. That means in this row, the 8 should be in one of those 2 boxes. Because this box can be an 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. This box can be an 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. So the 8 in this row could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 8 in the middle column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. So the 3 and the 9 are left. 3 and the 9. Okay, here, 3 and the 9. 2 and the 9. 3 and 8. We have a 3 here. We have a 3 there. That means in this row, the 3 should be there. Because this box can be a 3. We have 3 in the last column, no 3 there. Here can be 3. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. Only place level 3 in the third row should be there. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 6 and a 3. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 6 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 1 box left in the second column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2, 6, 7. Well, we have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 in the second row, no 7 there. Only place left for the 7 should be there. So the 2 and the 6 are left. 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 now in the third row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there. Then 2 numbers are left in this big square. The 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Let me mark those. 3 and a 9. 1 and a 4. 6 and a 4. We have a 6 now in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 in the first row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the first row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 and a 8. We have an 8 in the first row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. It should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So, well, pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the puzzle page. Until then, bye-bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Saturday.